What's up, everybody? If you have a photo shoot coming up and you don't know what to do, if your model is brand new or even if you're brand new as a photographer, from experience I know that can be very nerve-wracking. Well, this video is what I like to call being a fly on the wall. So you have a few tools for your next photo shoot. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below, and if you like what you see, please subscribe. We'll see you at the end. Hey, how many times have you shot?
Under 10.
Under 10. Do you have a favorite style?
It's usually yoga or pole fitness.
Have you done anything similar to this style at all?
Nothing.
Nothing? That's good. So, big thing that I want you to focus on are your eyeballs and your mouth.
Okay.
First thing, breathe through the mouth. I want to have a little bit of an open gap. Have you heard the expression tight-lipped? Tight-lipped is when, say, someone gets picked up by the police. They get interrogated. Hey, how come you're being so tight-lipped?
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
You know, so it's like they're holding back a secret. So they're holding something back. Was that a good analogy? Why are you being so tight-lipped? So it's when you're trying to hold something back. On this one, it's about releasing energy. Yep, like that. So breathe through the mouth, a little bit of a gap. Eyes.
Yeah.
What's your favorite food?
Cheeseburgers.
All right, so right there, when you said, your eyes got really small, like this.
We don't want that though.
I don't know how to use my fingers, because I do want that. I want your eyes, the underside, if you think of like, oh, that's so good. Those eyes.
Okay.
Because if you don't know what you're doing, a lot of times your eyes get really big, like this.
Yeah.
And like this,
Okay.
it's like caught in a deer caught in the headlight. So you don't want that, because then it's going to make it look like you're scared, you're nervous, you don't know what to do. So eyes are the most important thing. Eyes, think about food. Have you ever yawned before?
Not once, actually. I don't know what that is.
Yeah.
Okay, so kind of just more like a relaxed type of.
Well, so think of a yawn and think of a stretch. How does a yawn and stretch feel?
Good.
Feels good.
Yeah.
And so photography is a visual thing, right? So if you stretch and you yawn, what happens if you see somebody else yawn?
You do the same thing.
You want to do the same thing.
Yeah.
The reason why is because your body knows it feels good. And so your body's like, hey, I wanna feel good too, you know?
Yeah.
And it's one of those, it's like a release mechanism, scientific. It's like stretching, it makes you relax, it releases all the stress. I'm totally making shit up right now, but bear with me.
Just trying to make me feel better.
Yeah. So if you can pose in a way that kind of somewhat mimics a yawn and a stretch, visually it looks good.
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And so you want the viewer to look at the image and say, oh dang, there's something about that image that just looks good, you know, or it feels good. Yeah. And so if you're like this,
It's gonna look awkward, they're gonna feel awkward.
that's exactly it.
Okay.
So big thing here, when you're here, stretch, chin up. When I talk to you, I'll do a lot of hand signals. Chin up, turn your eyes over here, good. Tilt the head, this is your forehead, this is your chin.
Okay.
So just like that, chin up, good. Turn your eyes over here, turn your face over there, good. Chin up, stretch, arch the back. There you go, good.
Okay.
She's freaking out, y'all. That's okay. Look at it, she's turning all purple. That's okay. It's what you want. Well, not the purple, because you can't Photoshop that out very easily. And she's freaking out. All right, so we do this to kind of give her a little bit of the rundown of what you're expecting. If you're trying to pose her while your camera's up here, then it makes it harder for her to understand what you're trying to say. So I spend about 5-10 minutes prior to shooting the first shot to make sure that she's kind of aware of what I'm trying to look for. Two posing things for your legs. Feet wide, up on the toes. Good. A-frame, so your legs make an A.
Okay.
There you go. From here, so the difference between glam and fitness. With glam, you want softer legs. You don't want the quads super tight, because then first thing you see is gonna be muscles. Fitness, sexy fit, you want quads flexed, because then the first thing you see are the muscles. Quads look amazing. Belly button to me. Dang girl, you got some muscles. I see your core.
Thank you.
Oh, nice job. Before she was fluffy. I can't put that in video, because I don't want people to get mad at me. If you're fluffy, I wasn't talking about you, it's just a joke. No, but she's real fluffy. All right, belly button to me. Hips to the side. Don't rotate. Belly button to me, hips.
Oh.
Like that, perfect. Keep the quads tight. There you go, perfect. More. Do that stretch. Then you're gonna stretch here. There you go, bring the belly button back to me a little bit. Good, so difference between fitness stage posing and photo shoot posing, at least for me. Turn your belly button this way, more. So that's a fitness pose. Belly button back to me. Good, so I wanna see more ab definition. From the side, you see more of that waist. This.
Curve.
Yeah. Don't be putting words in my mouth. Curve, yeah, good, some more curve. She got it. Yeah, all right, belly button to me. There you go, good. Deep breath, exhale. That, again, deep breath, exhale. Good, so difference about fitness photography and glam. With glam, I mean, there's a little bit of controlled breathing, but with fitness, it's not pop, 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 pop. It's gonna be exhale, hold tight, stretch, arch, pop, good. Twist, pop, good. Twist is slower. Just wanna make sure you control breathing. Nothing worse than taking an amazing shot, expressions on point, quads look amazing, shoulders look amazing, but then she's sucking out or sucking in. Sucking out, released, relaxed. Yeah. You don't want that. You want, because she worked so hard to get her physique on point, you know. You don't want a great shot to be ruined by her looking at her abs and saying, oh, but you can't see my six pack. I mean, I don't care, because I ain't never had a six pack before. I'm playing over stuff like that. You make me mad. Anyway, all right, good. Shoulders.
Yeah.
When your weight is on your right hip, there you go. So all the weight's on that right leg. That right shoulder's gonna dip. There. Push the hip a little more. There you go. Upper body lean this way a little bit. There. Building the S. There you go. All by that stretch. Chin up. Good. Turn that chin this way a little more. Tilt the head. Chin up. Perfect. Mouth. A little more. Chin the face hard right. More. Chin up. Good. On your lower. So you're gonna be looking at me, and then you're gonna be looking over there, and then you're gonna be looking over at the stairs. But I'll kind of control that a little bit to get started. The whole point is to give you like the base gist, and then for you to feel confident enough with the posing and the basics of where you start moving free. So some of the no-nos, don't point the elbow to me, don't lock the fingers so you get white knuckles. Try not to have the flat part of your hand face me, because then your hand looks huge. Rotate a little bit. Ideally, you don't want anything super straight. You want to bend. Bend the elbows back. Good. Bend this elbow back behind you. There you go.
Like
Back behind. Move the hand more to the side and then tuck the elbow. There you go. You don't want broken wrist like this. There you go. Good. This hand, lead with the elbow here. Take this elbow, lead in. More elbow. There you go. Perfect. You want to bring the lines in. So the whole point of that pose there is I don't want this part to cover this part. If you lead in like this, I can't do it. Sucking in. Hold on. Kids, you should work out so you don't, look like. All right, so elbow in like this. There, good. Hand soft. Pinky rotate to me. There you go. Soft fingers. Chin up. Good. This arm's a little bit straight. Either pop it out. There you go. More. Bring the hand up a little more. Pop that shoulder. Shoulders to me a little more. There you go. Good. Move the hand more behind you. There you go. Quads tight. Chin up. Good. Turn your face. Good. Abs tight. Breathe. Good. Stretch. It's a lot, huh? What you got? You ready?
Ready.
Come again. All right. Do a quick test shot.